Hello everybody, I want to share with you about two change timing bell Hyundai's i10 PR 1.1 bit 58 kW. I think that you can understand about this. So if we change Hyundai, you can understand about the Hyundai's i10 PR 1.5 51 kW tension roller air centric. Then Newton meter alas engine mouse crank central screw, tensioning roller screw, crank sensor screw, and tool belt guide and wheel attachment. So if you work with car, you can use this Newton meter for rotation, the crankshaft central screw for stake 14 inches, Newton meter 50 degrees. So you can continue to take out the engine mouse screw. This is the reference TDC marking 2 bits 1. Here, this one reference marking crank pulley. Take out the crank pulley. You see this marking reference 3, 1 and 2 marking. So rotate clockwise. This crank marking with this one is reference mark, 2 is TDC marking 2. So crank pulley, you take out the screw and crank central. So you continue to take out crank sensor field. This one crank sensor field. Oh, you can see the tension roller screw is number 1. 2 is tension roller. 2, 3 is the crank sensor screw. 4 is the crank sensor. So you see this mark, this one TDC cam gear marking. Mark this one with this one. Then the TDC marking crank gear 2, this one 2 and this one. So I hope you understand. Then the tension roller, this is 2 reference mark. See this one, we mark like this. Take out like this. One tension roller, we mark like this. So we can see. Use a key tension as clockwise until the pointer is alignment reference 1, 2. Reference 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Here reference 1 and 2. There are 2. The ones. Tension roller screw at turns crank by 2 revolution is running direction of engine. Check DC 1 and 2. 1 and 2. TDC marking must be plus with the reference mark. Check the reference mark point plus with repeat tension process. Install crank sensor point. Continue to reverse order remove with accessory driver. Deco radio program valuation manual start engine check function. Just I think you need to understand about all of the program that I say. Must there mark 1 and 1, 2 and 2 is important. And 3 is this is mark. So line 1 and 2 is 1 and 2. Thank you for watching the video Hyundai, and you understand about replace timing bell Hyundai 1.1 from 51 kilowatt. Thank you for watching.